Hey Chris, Jeremy from AutoFair. Figured I'd show you a video, a little bit easier than writing instructions. So we are sitting in a Rogue and Darius has his iPhone connected in there. So we're gonna start up the vehicle. So there's the main screen. So Darius is gonna walk you through what we're gonna press here. So go ahead, get the pressing buttons.
All right.
So you see it's going to connections. There's his phone. As you can see, it does have the CarPlay equipped on it. Now you can see it's on. But now we're going to turn it off. So go to connections. The little I button right there. And there you go, smartphone. Enable after USB connection. You're going to tap on that. And we're going to hit no. Never. There we go. So now it's on never. And as you can see, it is gone. So now when we're panning back and we're hitting we want to call somebody just using our Bluetooth.
Please say or select a command.
There you go. It has now been disabled. Go ahead.
Canceling voice recognition.
Oh, he's going to hold press that button. Good job. That did nothing. There we go. Now it's up there. But there you go. Should we do that again? Super fast? All right,
Yeah.
So let's do it again. Real quick. Connections. There's his phone. The I button. Smartphone projection. Enable off the USB connection. Settings. Here we go. Connections. Smartphone projection. You're going to tap that to never. And you go back to your main menu. And then we're going to pan back here.
Please say or select a command.
And there you go. Completely turned off.
Canceling voice.
Hope that helps. Thank you, Darius. And we'll see you soon.